Are you looking for the best donut maker? In this video, we will break down the top donut makers on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best donut maker, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Starting off at number 1, we have Babycakes Non-Stick Coated Donut Maker. This donut maker from Babycakes is very vivid because of its yellow color. It's fairly round in shape, presenting a very cute side to the product. On the outside at the top of the donut maker, other than the brand name, there are two lights featuring power light and ready light. Because of these two lights, you can know whether the machine is turned on or not, and of whether the donut baking is finished. It also has a cord wrap that helps your kitchen be neat and clean, instead of it being filled with power cords everywhere. With this donut maker, you can make mini donuts instead of the regular size. Mini donuts are fun to eat, and you can never have enough, or at least that's what we think. In this donut maker, you can make up to 6 donuts. Now, these donuts are baked and not fried. What that means is your donut will be lighter and fluffier, also not to mention healthier because of the reduced amounts of oil. On the inside, the plates are non-stick, giving you the ability to bake your donuts easily, and not to mention easy cleanup. With the use of this product, you can make your donuts in about 4 minutes without any hassle. With this product, you will be getting a fork tool for taking donuts out when they are ready without any issue. And it comes with a wire rack and recipes, so that you can start making your donuts perfectly and easily. At number 2, we have the Sunbeam FPSBDML920 donut maker. I really don't know why manufacturers love the color yellow when it comes to donut makers. But then again, you can't deny that it really catches your eye. The donut maker from Sunbeam is another yellow colored donut maker. It is of the shape of a large donut that not only looks cool, but is also fun to look at. It also has a sprinkle design on the top, giving it an authentic donut look. It has 2 lights, one that lets you know whether or not the donut maker is powered on or not, and the other one shows whether it's being used. This donut maker can make up to 5 donuts. The size of the donuts is not technically mini. They are larger than a mini but smaller than a regular size. On the inside, the baking surface is non-stick, making it easy for you to bake and clean. Because of the latching lid, you can save space storing it in a cupboard, drawer, etc. At number 3, we have the Cucina 13466 donut maker. The red color in this donut maker really makes you feel unique and, well, different. The color sets a calm and thoughtful mood, as it's more of a deep red rather than being bright. It's pretty big compared to its competitor, but it's not for show. It has 2 light indicators, one showing whether it's connected or not, and the other one indicates whether it's ready to use. On the inside, it can bake up to 7 mini-sized donuts. That means you can bake more per round than the usual, which equals more fun when eating. The baking tray is non-stick, making it easy for you to bake and clean. In the donut maker, you bake the donuts instead of frying them, which means the donuts are softer and healthier than the fried ones. Also, not to mention the fact that you don't have to use oil at all. At number 4, we have the Chef Buddy Hot Donut Maker. This donut maker from Chef Buddy comes in a bit of a circle-shaped size. The color is of purplish blue. It comes with 2 lights. One shows whether it's powered on or not, and the other shows whether it's ready to use. It has a handle which makes transporting your donut maker easy. It has a power cord of 30 inches in length, ensuring you have enough space if your wall socket is far away. You can make 7 mini donuts in this donut maker. The baking surface is non-stick, making it easy for baking and easy to clean. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Brentwood TS250 Non-Stick Mini Donut Maker. This donut maker from Brentwood comes in pink. It certainly is an unusual color to look at or choose, but it sure makes your kitchen more colorful and unique. This donut maker comes with 2 light indicators. One shows whether the donut maker is powered on or not, where the other one indicates whether or not it's ready to use. The pink colored donut maker bakes up to 7 mini-sized donuts. The baking tray is non-stick, so you don't have to worry about donuts being ruined when popping them out, or having a hard time cleaning the tray. So that sums up our top donut makers. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.